One of the biggest problems facing young people today is skincare. And luckily for you guys, I've spent way too much money on skincare products over the last couple months, testing most items you see online, and I'm going to tell you what's cope and what's dope. We're going to start off with the Geisha. I've seen it advertised everywhere. Everybody acts like it's a miracle worker. It has not worked for me at all. I've had it for 3 to 4 weeks and it has not made any progress on my skin. It was around $5 to $10 in store though, so it was pretty cheap. It's worth buying it if you just see it and you want to try it out. It's really cold in the morning, it wakes you up, so it's kind of worth it for that reason. I've heard really good things online about it, but I just personally haven't seen any progress. Something I have seen progress with is salic acid. Salic acid works incredibly well. I use it every other night. I mix it in with niacinamide. Niacinamide I use every morning, and it's like the worst version of salic acid. I would use salic acid instead, but it kind of irritates my skin if I use it too often. These are both for around $6. If you buy a pack, you can get it for about 12, $14. It also includes eye cream, which I don't have on this list, but it doesn't work. Next up, we're going to have tinted sunscreen. I'm going to put it in B tier. It's not really worth the hype. I know you've seen it advertised. You see it everywhere. Uh, Everyone acts like it's a miracle worker, along with the Geisha. Uh, you see those people, they'll go from being like chopped to being a Chad. It's not. It's not tinted sunscreen. I'll tell you that. They're probably using chubby tanning water. Chubby tanning water is the only tanning thing that's actually made my skin go from like ghost white to I'm still white, but I'm darker. You wouldn't look at me and get like the Neptune bald. You wouldn't see that. It's around $30 to $40, but it's just basically the upgrade for this tanning lotion in every single way. And yeah, chubby tanning water, buy it. We're gonna go with facial cleanser next. It is, I don't recommend. It does what it's supposed to do. It's around $10 to $15, but what it's supposed to do is just clean out your pores. Which, if you're already taking showers and cleaning your face, uh, it's kind of redundant. It kind of just messes everything up. Takes too long. Just ruins everything overall. Next up, we're gonna do the Derma Roller. The Derma Roller is very good. It's just the worst version of the Derma Stamp. Derma Roller and Derma Stamp are about the same price, but I actually have both and I use both because the Derma Stamp hurts like hell. Use it around half millimeter to 1 millimeter. I use it for my eyebrows, chin, and facial hair. Well, I use the Derma Roller for everywhere else because if I sat there pricking my face for 5 minutes, I'd probably cry. I recommend both of these, but if you could only buy one, buy the Derma Stamp. Next up is going to be the best thing on this list, which is GKU/CU. It is a topical peptide. You can get it injectable, but I do not recommend it. Everyone says topical doesn't work sometimes, but I can tell you firsthand, it does. I bought it. I was kind of skeptical, but I saw progress within a week. Saw crazy progress within a month. Now my skin feels incredibly smooth. I've had girls comment on it, and it's absurd. It's pretty cheap though. You can get it for $20 for the copper peptide, or $40. I got beef tallow. I haven't seen any progress from that, but it's probably not worth it. Just get the copper peptide. Next up, we're gonna have the BB cream. Put it in B tier. I have not used it for too long. I've used it for like a week or two. I haven't seen any effects, unlike some of the stuff in S tier and A tier. Um, it's less than $10, so it's worth buying, picking up, seeing if it works, and if it works for you, tell me down below. Next, we're gonna do moisturizing lotion. Moisturizing lotion, you can split that up to AM and PM. I would personally put PM in S tier, and I'd keep AM in A tier. I use PM, actually. I use it every morning and night. I know that sounds kind of weird, but it's just a good spread. It helps with the chubby tanning water and the peptide. It's overall just probably one of the best things you can buy. It's pretty damn cheap too. It's around $15 for each of them. But if you can only buy one, buy the PM. Next up, we're going to get the worst thing on this list, and the only thing I will outright call a scam. It is caffeinated ice serum. Everyone says, "Oh yeah, this is great. This will help you out," but they're just trying to get a commission because if you have eye bags, 99% of the time it is a infraorbital recession. You can't really fix that. Just use concealer if you have to. I'm not gonna tell you the price because if you buy it, I personally think you're getting scammed. Maybe 5% of people this will fix, but the other 95, you're just wasting money. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and comment below any idea you have, and me and the boys will probably make it. Peace.